Is your iPhone's autocorrect causing more trouble than help? It can be annoying when mistakes pop up while typing quickly. Don't worry, we've got some easy fixes to get your keyboard working smoothly again. Solution 1. Check autocorrect settings. Make sure autocorrect is enabled. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Keyboard. Ensure autocorrection is toggled on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. Solution 2. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Resetting the keyboard dictionary can remove unwanted saved words that might interfere with autocorrect. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Confirm the reset and test if the autocorrect is working properly now. Solution 3. Add text replacement for common errors. If autocorrect is missing specific words, try adding them manually. Open Settings and tap General. Scroll down, tap Keyboard and then tap Text Replacement. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Type the word you want to autocorrect in shortcut if you prefer. Tap Save to add it to your text replacements. Solution 4. Update iOS. Sometimes software updates include bug fixes for keyboard and autocorrect issues. Open Settings and tap General. Scroll down, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Restart your iPhone and check if autocorrect is working better. Solution 5. Disable other keyboard options. Some keyboard settings may interfere with autocorrect. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Keyboard. Try disabling options like predictive text or check spelling. Then test if autocorrect improves. That's it. You should now be able to fix autocorrect issues on your iPhone keyboard. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.